In the midst of baking all of our holiday cookies and desserts, let's face it, every one of us is always looking for a quick and easy hors d'oeuvre or snack to serve with cocktails. Today, we're going to have some festive fun with Frico. What's Frico? Let's get started. Frico in Italian simply means fried cheese, and it's amazing what you can do with this one simple ingredient. Traditionally in Italy, it's made using a cheese called Montaggio, which is almost identical to Parmigiano Reggiano. But because here in the States, Parmigiano Reggiano is easier for us to find, that's what I'm going to be using today. That being said, if you wanted to use some bagged shredded Parmesan, I'm not going to call the cheese police on you today. Now what I've done is I've just taken a large baking pan and I've lined it with some Parmesan cheese. I put mounds, 1 tablespoonful each of shredded cheese, and it must be shredded, folks, not grated. Just space them evenly across the pan. Once you've got the mounds down, all you want to do is spread them out on the pan using your fingertips to get them a nice, really lacy look. You want them to be airy in the center. Now, if you think that was easy, just wait. What we're going to do is we're going to put these in a 350-degree oven for exactly 6 minutes, and when I come back, we're going to have Frico. Bubbling hot right out of the oven. Now, your choice here is to let these cool completely in the pan, and when they're cool, you're just going to stack them like this, and you have traditional Frico cheese crisps, which are a great snack to put with your favorite dip. Or your other option is, while they're still really hot, to take a mini muffin tin and just pick these cute little pliable babies up, lay them over the top of the tin. I'll just do maybe 3 or 4 here to show you how this works. And once you've got them over the top of the tin, what we're going to do is we're going to take something called a wooden tart tamper, which was invented exactly for this purpose, and we're just going to push these right down into the tart pan and make little nests that we're going to fill to make individual hors d'oeuvres. And if you're looking for a last-minute gift idea, for less than $20, you can buy the chef or the cook in your family a mini muffin tin and a little tart tamper, print out my recipe as a stocking stuffer, and it's a perfect holiday gift. I'm going to set my little baskets aside to cool completely. And for another take on Frico, if you'd like to make an edible Frico basket, which makes great little individual salad baskets for your dinner table, or a nice thing to, like today, we're going to heap shrimp cocktail into these. Wait till you see how easy it is to do this. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 9-inch pie dish that's been lined with some parchment paper, and in it I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of shredded Parmigiano Reggiano. I like using the 9-inch pie dish because it kind of gives me a really nice guideline for exactly how round to make my Frico basket, or my bowl in this case. And like you can see, I'm doing the same thing I did for the little baskets, making it nice and lacy. I'm just going to put this in a 350-degree oven for exactly 6 minutes, and when I come back, I'm going to have an edible Frico bowl. All bubbly and hot in the bottom of my pan. Now this one's going to be just a little bit different from the baskets in that we're just going to take the whole piece of parchment, and I'm not using a mitt or anything. This is, you can touch the parchment, and I'm going to invert this over a shallow cereal type bowl, and I'm just going to gently press it down around the sides, and it's hot, but you can it's manageable. You'll be able to manage it. And as it cools, or begins to cool, and it doesn't take long. By the time you count to 15 or 20, this is all over with. Just going to remove the parchment. And you can help it cool a little bit, or you can just let it cool on its own just the way it is. And again, once that comes to room temperature, you've got an edible salad bowl. Our little hors d'oeuvre baskets have cooled to room temperature. Now you can fill these with pretty much anything your little heart desires for Christmas or the holidays. The favorite prosciutto family combination is a nice peppered or herbed salami, a fresh mozzarella ball, the little ones, the teeny yummy ones, a nice garlicky green olive, and a roasted red pepper strip. A little bit of peppercorn blend over all of them. And you've got some really succulent hors d'oeuvres to serve to your guests with cocktails. All of our little hors d'oeuvre baskets are full, and now I'm going to show you what to do with the salad bowl. I just put some greens in the bottom of mine to absorb any excess moisture, and today I'm filling mine with shrimp. You can put anything in you want, but who wouldn't like a wonderful steamed lemony shrimp? I like to pile them really high. I put about 12 to 14 shrimp in each basket. Then I'm just going to put a few little cocktail toothpicks in there. And I'm ready to invite my guests to a cocktail party. In less than 40 minutes, I can make all of this Frico. And in less than 1 hour, with the help of a few store-bought ingredients, I can serve all of these hors d'oeuvres. On behalf of WHVL-TV and all of us at Kitchen Encounters, I personally want to wish you all the happiest of holidays. For these and all of my recipes, just go to my website.